Good morning, students. We have already started with our fifth lesson of supplementary reader, The Happy Prince. Till now, we have learned that this Happy Prince is the statue of a prince who had never known what miseries were. कभी उसने सैडनेस देखी ही नहीं अपने पैलेस में. And now his statue was placed on a high column which was gilded with golden work, with gold and carving was done. His eyes has precious stone and his hilt means the hold of the weapon. उसकी तलवार की जो मूठ थी जिससे वो पकड़ी जाती है उसमें भी प्रीशियस स्टोन्स जेम्स लगे हुए थे. ओके. देन सडनली अ बर्ड केम देयर, एज ऑलरेडी यू नो. ही वांटेड टू हैव अ रेस्ट ओवर देयर, बट सडनली ही फेल्ट tears falling on his body. Means he found it raindrops, but when he found out they were the tears from the eyes of the happy prince. He asked and inquired about the reason behind it. The prince told him that when he was alive and had human heart, he did not know what tears were because he lived in his palace. There were servants all around him and sorrow was not allowed to enter the palace. And his courtiers called him the Happy Prince. Fine. And till then, till the period he lived, he did not know anything about the sorrows and miseries. But now when his statue was placed high above the column, he came to know about the ugliness and the miseries of the city. Okay. Now he said, and now that I am dead, they have set me up here so high that I can see the ugliness and all the miseries of my city. And though my heart is made of lead, yet I cannot choose but weep. He said that lead is a metal. So he said that his heart was made of metal, but he could not stop himself from crying. What? Is it not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. He was too polite to make any personal remarks. And when the prince said that his heart was made of lead, as I told you, lead is a metal. So the bird was too polite, he could not ask him that how his statue was not made of pure gold. Earlier he was thinking the statue was of gold. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. Far away, in a little street, there is a poor house. One of the windows is open, and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. Her face is thin and worn, and she has coarse red hands, all pricked by the needle. For she is a seamstress. She is embroidering flowers on a satin gown for the loveliest of the queen's maids of honor to wear at the next court ball. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. He has a fever and is asking his mother to give him oranges. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, so he is crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you bring her the ruby out of my sword hill? My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move. So the prince continued to speak. बड़ा म्यूजिकल वे में, बहुत सॉफ्टली बोला, बहुत दूर देखो, यहाँ से एक छोटी सी स्ट्रीट में एक छोटा सा घर है, पुअर हाउस है, मीन्स नॉट ऑफ दैट मच वैल्यू, बहुत गरीब फैमिली है जहाँ वो रहती है। एक विंडो ओपन है वहाँ पर, एंड आई कैन सी दैट अ वुमेन इज सेटेड एट द टेबल। द स्टेचू सेड दैट he could see a woman, means a seamstress. Seamstress, I tell you the meaning, a person or the lady who stitches, stitch करने वाला और embroidery करने वाला, a person who embroiders, a person who embroiders. So seamstress is a lady, a woman who was embroidering, okay, who was stitching a dress, preparing a dress. So the prince said that he could see a woman sitting at a table and her face is thin and worn, बहुत weak लग रही है, बहुत थकी हुई लग रही है, and the reason behind was that her son was ill. Her fingers were coarse. हाथ बहुत सख्त हो गए because all pricked by needle, because she was doing embroidery. Okay, she was making embroidery, and because of pricking of the needles, her hands are become rough and coarse. C-O-A-R. There is a difference between coarse and coarse. These are, though they are nearly same pronoun, coarse and coarse, but there is a lot difference between these two words. This coarse means rough. यहाँ कोर्स के लिए ड्यूरेशन भी आता है और मीन्स पीरियड और ड्यूरेशन, और दिस इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर योर सिलेबस. ओके, सो दीज आर टू डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. सो ही सेड दैट शी वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग एंड एम्ब्रॉयडरिंग फ्लावर्स ऑन a satin gown for the loveliest of the queen's maids of honor. क्वीन की मेड्स ऑफ ऑनर के लिए वो गाउन बना रही है, उस पर एम्ब्रॉयडरी कर रही है. एंड इन द बेड हर सन वॉज लाइंग इल. उसका बेटा बीमार पड़ा है. ही वॉन्टेड टू हैव ऑरेंजेस टू ईट. उसका बेटा ऑरेंजेस खाना चाहता, बट द seamstress did not have enough money to buy him oranges, so she was giving him river water only. ठीक है, सिर्फ रिवर का पानी पिला रही है. He had a fever, उसको फीवर भी है. Okay, so he pleaded the swallow, the bird, रिक्वेस्ट करी swallow से, बर्ड से, that he should go there, and along with what, क्या ले जाने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है वो, ऐसे वहाँ जाके करेगा क्या? हाउ द बर्ड वुड हेल्प द लेडी. ही प्लीडेड द बर्ड, द swallow, to pick out the ruby from the sword hilt. But actually he himself could have gone, but his feet were fastened on the pedestal. पेडेस्टल वो पार्ट होता है किसी कॉलम का जिस पर कोई स्टैचू लगा दी जाती है. So he said that his feet were stuck and fastened on the pedestal and he could not move. So he requested the bird to take the sword ruby from the sword hilt. रूबी ले जाने के लिए उसको रिक्वेस्ट किया. फाइन. Come to the next page, number 30. I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. My friends are flying up and down the Nile and talking to the large lotus flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. The swallow was a little bit reluctant and not willing to get indulged in the job. वो इस काम में उलझना नहीं चाहता था. उसने बोला मेरा इंतज़ार हो रहा है इजिप्ट में. His friends were flying already. They have means already taken their flight up and down the Nile. Nile, all of you know that it is the name of a river. And talking to the large lotus flowers, and soon they will go to sleep. And now they are going to have, means they were finding the place to have a rest, and there were so many lotus flowers and they could have a good sleep over there. So he said that he was awaited in Egypt. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. The boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad, he said. प्रिंस ने कहा कि उसकी माँ बहुत बीमार, बहुत दुखी है. His mother means the boy's mother is so sad and the boy is so thirsty. Boy भी बहुत परेशान है, thirsty है, और माँ भी बहुत दुखी है. So just be the messenger of mine just for one night. आज यहाँ रात रुक जाओ, आज मेरे मैसेंजर बन जाओ बस. I don't think I like boys, answered the swallow. I want to go to Egypt. उसने कहा मुझे तो लड़के वैसे ही पसंद नहीं है. I don't want to meet any of the boy. I don't like boys, but I just want to go to Egypt. That was the reply given by the bird, means swallow. But the happy prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. It is very cold here, he said, but he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. Though happy prince was not willing, वो चाहता ही नहीं था वहाँ रुकना, but unwillingly he stayed over there. उसको बड़ा दुख हो रहा था, ये रुकना ही नहीं चाहता था वो वहाँ पर. लेकिन प्रिंस, हैप्पी प्रिंस बड़ा दुखी हो गया जब उसने कहा मैं नहीं रुक सकता. बट स्टिल देन ही एग्रीड. स्वैलो एग्रीड टू स्टे देयर विद हिम फॉर वन नाइट. उसने कहा ठीक है, एक रात रुक जाऊंगा और तुम्हारा मैसेंजर बन जाऊंगा. थैंक यू लिटिल स्वैलो, सेड द प्रिंस. एंड द प्रिंस ऑल्सो एक्सप्रेस्ड हिज ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड conveyed his thanks to the prince. Okay.